You ever wonder how we get antennas up into trees? This is the Weaver Arborist throw bag. And inside of this bag is some Arborist throw line and a throw weight. And then we've got trees. All right, these aren't the tallest trees that we have here, but they're the trees that are closest to us, so this is what we're going to use. And here is the throw weight bag. Bright orange line so you can't miss it. And inside there is a D-ring that you tie one end of the rope to, and there's a pocket on this side, and there's another pocket over here in case you wanted to put some more stuff in your pockets and hide more things. Inside here is your throw weight. These come in different sizes. This one's 14 ounces. And as long as you don't cross the two ends, you're not going to tie any knots in there. So you're all set. I'm going to get this thing thrown up in the tree, and we will be right back. All right, so there is the throw weight going up into the tree over here, over these branches, and then it comes down over here to the ground right there. That's how it works. Fairly straightforward. I'd recommend wearing some gloves so you don't burn your hands up. I didn't wear any gloves. I didn't burn my hands up, but it's something easy to toss in the bag with you. All right, so there is the end of the end-fed half wave, and the wire runs up into the tree, and then it runs down over here to that T-post on the side over there. Let's get a closer look at this other side here, because this is kind of important. So you can see this bright orange wire here. First off, it's out of my reach. Kind of an optical illusion. It's out of my reach. That's over 8 foot in the air. So people can drive under it, they can walk under it. But if they happen to be coming by at chest level, it's pretty bright orange and hard to miss. Watch somebody miss it. All right, this time we have the QRP Guys Tri-Band Vertical, which obviously is set up in a vertical orientation up into the tree. And then we have our throw line tied off into the football. This is the bag that the throw line comes in, and I'm just using that as an end weight just to keep it up in the tree. Should be just plenty fine. All right, so this is a 20, 30, 40 vertical, and 20 goes straight through, and then 40 and 30 you have to move these two switches to go through one or both of those two toroids. The toroids are your QRP section, and the rest of it is just straight through, so I use that for 100-watt full power barefoot operation. So we are set at 20 on the top and 20 on the bottom. That makes it 20 straight through. Let's get over to the radio. Kilo Mike 9 Golf. Okay, so the Weaver Arborist Ultimate Climbing Experience. I don't know what I would put in this bag that I would want to rely on to climb a tree with, but maybe they sell other products that are compatible with this bag. There's some pretty interesting things with this. I love how it folds down nice and tiny and makes it compact so it can go in my antenna carry bag. And I showed you in the video how to put up an end-fed half wave into an inverted V format. You can also raise the center of a dipole up that way. And then I also showed you how to do a vertical antenna with this thing. So pretty slick little bit of kit. The bag, the line, and the throw weight are 3 different parts. There's a link in the description down below to get these things. And I use this pretty frequently when I'm out doing Parks on the Air activations or any type of other kinds of portable work. And I've got it in my antenna bag, so it's always ready to roll. there's a video right over here I think you will enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. We'll see you in the next one.